Hey guys, this is Cooking with Kurt and I'm here with my husband Donald.
Hi YouTube.
And today we're going to show you how to make a homemade maple blueberry granola.
It's quick and simple to make and perfect for a delicious and healthy breakfast or snack.
To start, preheat your oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, then take a half sheet pan which is 13 by 18 inches and line it with an oversized piece of parchment paper. Then in a large mixing bowl, add in 3 cups of rolled oats, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 cup of sliced almonds, 1 cup of halved pecans, 1 cup of coconut flakes or shredded coconut, 1/4 cup of flax seeds, 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds, 1/4 cup of dark brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix this well.
Then in a separate mixing bowl, add 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 1/4 cup of coconut or vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 large egg. Whisk this together till well combined. Then pour the liquid mixture over the dry mixture, toss it very well till they're all well combined. Then evenly spread this mixture into the parchment paper lined baking sheet we had prepared earlier.
We're going to bake this in our preheated oven at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour and 20 minutes, taking it out every 20 minutes to stir the mixture around so that all the pieces become evenly browned and crunchy, like this. Let this cool completely to room temperature.
Finally, add in 1 cup of dried blueberries and mix it well. Transfer this into an airtight container and it will keep for 2 to 3 weeks at room temperature.
And there it is, homemade maple blueberry granola. Ang sarap. So good.
So good.
Love that maple flavor.
It's so crunchy.
Please let us know in the comment section below if you're planning to make this maple blueberry granola. And if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Cooking with Kurt. Maraming salamat!
Oh, it's